Welcome to the dynamic world of shopping, where each outing can lead to unexpected discoveries and delightful experiences. Imagine walking into a vibrant clothing store, the shelves overflowing with colorful choices. Today, we are joining Doodle as she embarks on a quest for the perfect t-shirt. Her mission is simple, a blue t-shirt that fits just right. As Doodle steps inside, the atmosphere is bustling, yet warm and inviting. A friendly shop assistant greets her with a welcoming smile. "Hello, can I help you?" she cheerfully inquires, ready to assist. Doodle confidently responds, "Yes, I'm looking for a blue t-shirt." She knows exactly what she wants, something stylish yet comfortable. It's this clarity that guides her through the abundance of options. The shop assistant, well-versed in the art of fashion selection, promptly asks, "What size do you need?" Her professionalism and attentiveness make Doodle feel at ease. "Medium, please," says Doodle. She senses she's in capable hands, and without hesitation, the shop assistant presents her with exactly what she's been searching for. "Here you go," she exclaims, handing over a perfectly folded blue t-shirt. Examining the t-shirt, Doodle's face lights up. "Perfect," she says enthusiastically. It's as if the t-shirt was made just for her, a harmonious blend of style and color that matches her expectations. "How much is it?" Doodle asks, ready to complete her transaction. The shop assistant, efficient and clear, responds, "It's $20. The price is right, and Doodle feels a sense of accomplishment. "Great, I'll take it," Doodle replies, her excitement evident. She knows she made the right choice, and the purchase affirms her successful shopping adventure. Music fades briefly, then resumes. And there you have it, a seamless shopping experience that highlights the joy of finding exactly what you need. The perfect blue t-shirt wasn't just an addition to her wardrobe, it was a memorable part of her day. Thanks for joining us on Doodle's shopping journey, proving once again that sometimes the best shopping experiences are about more than just the products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting shopping adventures.